Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. And in this video, I'm going to solve this medium level problem on the stack. It's about minimum stack. So let's see what the problem statement is. Problem statement says that design a stack that supports push, pop, top, and retrieving the minimum element in constant time. So we are given here a minimum stack class. So if you can see that min stack class is already been created by leetcode. Then void push, we have to create the push function, pop, top, and then get minimum. So that is a medium level problem, but I'm pretty sure that you guys are going to find it very easy once you solve it. So let's go ahead and implement this. Okay. So let me tell you what exactly you have to do and what exactly you're asked to do. So we have to basically, first of all, initialize the stack object minimum stack. Okay, so let's just initialize two stack first. So first is going to be the main stack, and second is going to be the minimum stack. So in main stack will be all the variables that are there in the stack, and in minimum stack, so whatever the lowest element is, we're going to push that in the minimum stack. So that's a pretty simple implementation of this. So let's go ahead and do it. Stack int. So let's call it minimum stack, main stack first. So main stack is something where uh, all of our elements are going to be stored. Then stack int, this is going to be the min stack. Okay, so now we have two stacks defined. Now let's go ahead and create the uh, push function. So I think it'll be just easier if I don't go to whiteboard this time because it is a very easy concept. So look, what are you going to do? To have main stack and minimum stack. So if the minimum stack, so minimum stack is something that only has the lowest element. So if the main stack is empty, that means it doesn't have any elements in it. That means that element is going to go into the minimum stack because that is the minimum element, right? So first of all, first condition would be we are just going to perform the push operation of its main stack, and then we can just write the if statement. So minimum stack and main stack, and you can write value here. And now if main stack is empty, if it is empty, uh, minimum stack, if it is empty, or if my value is greater than whatever the existing value is in the main stack, sorry, if this is the case, then we're going to push the element in the minimum stack because that would mean that minimum element is going into the minimum stack. Okay, so yeah, perfect. So it is the push function. Now let's go and see what do we have in our pop function. So same thing is going to happen in pop. So if the main stacks element and both the elements are same, then we obviously don't need that, right? We obviously don't need anything. So we are just going to pop the element from the main stack. Sorry, pop the element from the minimum stack. So if we find out that basically that element is just occurring twice. That's why both the stack top are matching. So if minimum stack dot top is equal to stack dot top. Then if this is the case, we are just going to pop the element from minimum stack because we will not need it anymore. So yeah, that is it. And this is just basic operation that we require that we are required to do. Main stack.pop. Okay. So if I scroll down, let me see what are the things we have to do. Int top, that is also the simple thing. We can just write main stack.pop. Sorry, top. Not. So these are the inbuilt functions that has been already added into the stack library. So we don't need to really worry about the implementation of that for now. And then return get minimum. So what are we going to do? We are just going to return top. So later, yeah, I think I'll probably go to the whiteboard and then I'll explain what exactly is happening. If, that seems to be confusing. But let me see if that works or not. Yeah. Okay. No member named is empty. Uh, oh yeah, we don't need this empty. We just need this. It only needs to. So if I just run this code, let's see if it works. Okay, perfect. Yeah. So as you can see that it has been accepted, all the test cases have been passed, or maybe we can try to submit and then I can say all the test cases have been passed. Yeah, it is accepted.